Hey there! Let's draw something fun today. We're going to draw a sportsman, a specific kind of sportsman, someone who you don't want to throw a punch at you because it would hurt. We're going to draw a boxer, right in the action of tossing a punch out. It's an action picture. Let's see if we can capture some of the energy of that punch coming right towards us. You need browns, you need a little reddish brown, and we got to get the right angles and the right dimensions to make it look like an action shot. I'm getting started. Let's box. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.